Today I'm making creamy gnocchi and Italian sausage soup. It's comfort in a bowl, served with some fresh garlic bread. So good. Now let's get into it. Let's start by dicing our veggies. I got half a white onion that I'm dicing. I'm also cutting up some baby carrots, but you could also use 2 medium carrots and cutting them up. And I'm also slicing 1 red medium pepper. Turn your heat to medium-high and add in some olive oil. I'm using sweet chicken Italian sausage, but you could do pork, hot or sweet Italian sausage, or even ground beef or ground turkey. If you're using ground meat, I would add in half a teaspoon of fennel. Also add in half a teaspoon of salt and cook until fully brown. Remove the sausage and turn the heat to medium. Add in 2 tablespoons of butter and the diced onions and cook until translucent. Add in the carrots and bell peppers, and this is when I would have added in the flour, but I totally forgot, but I have a quick tip later on if this ever happens to you. So let's imagine I'm adding in some flour and cooking it down for a few minutes, and then deglazing the pan with white wine. Add the Italian sausage back in along with 6 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, and Italian seasoning. I'm also adding in a parmesan rind. These are great to add flavor to soup, so don't throw yours out. Cover and simmer on medium for about 6 minutes, and this is when I realized I had forgotten to add the flour, so I created a roux by cooking down some flour with butter in a separate pan and then adding that back in, and it worked like a charm. This is also a great time to check for salt and seasonings, and I love to use gnocchi that's in the fridge section of the store. To me, it just tastes most similar to homemade gnocchi. I'm also adding in some washed baby kale, but you could also sub for spinach or just leave it out. Cook for 4 minutes and take out the parmesan rind, and you are ready to serve it. I like to make a quick garlic bread by combining butter, garlic powder, onion powder, a little dried parsley, a little red pepper, and fresh garlic, and combining that until the butter is soft. And I made 2 of these medium loaves, but you could also just use 1 large baguette. And I like my garlic bread crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. And I'm cutting slits, but not all the way through. And you're gonna put some butter in between the slits. And then I like to brush some of the garlic on the outside, and you'll cook on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 minutes. And it's crunchy on the outside and nice and soft on the inside. The soup is just so perfect for the colder weather. It's comforting, and you can make it your own by adding in all sorts of different vegetables, or you can sub the gnocchi for tortellini or even potato. And I topped mine with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese and some fresh basil, and it's perfect. And we've got our garlic bread to dip in it, but if that's too decadent, go ahead and just serve it as it is. It's perfect. Yum, get a little gnocchi if I can. That is so creamy. You guys are going to love this. The gnocchi is like having a nice pillowy potato in the soup. The sausage gives it a nice little kick. I put a little red pepper flake, so it's got a nice little spice. And now, because I love me some bread, we're gonna go ahead and dip our garlic bread into this soup. Diet starts on Monday, right? Let's try this. Oh my God. Man, I love garlic bread. That is delicious. Is it decadent? Yes. Is it worth it? 100%. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this entire bowl. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments.